and welcome to Bird is the Word with Gertie Purd. I'm Gertie Purd, and this is my bird. That's right. I would love to introduce to you the one and the only Ruth Bader Ginsbird. Ruth, introduce yourself to the people. We are both so excited to bring this show to Channel 13. Now, Ruth, a little about me. As you know, my name is Gertie Purd, and I have a degree in birding. Oh, and Ruth, tell me, how was your flight in? Before we go, there are just a few jokes that I want to try out on you. As most of you know, in the community of Muscuda, I am a very avid member of the local improv troupe, Shticks and Giggles. So, I am planning to take my career on solo. No, I'm planning to take my career... What am I trying to say? Okay, here are the jokes. How can you tell if a group of crows are stuck together? No. How do you know if a group of crows are together? Velcro. What's that? She said she loved it. And we're so happy you chose to watch Bird is the Word with Gertie Purd, and today's guest, the one and only Ruth Bader Ginsbird. Next week, we have another local bird celebrity, Steven Seagal. Okay, that's all from me, Gertie Purd. Thanks for bird dropping by.